I want to deliver to you a shocking presentation. A truly, truly shocking presentation. In global terms, the exhibition and events industry is a comparatively small cog in the general scheme of things. But that doesn't mean that we, all of us, cannot make an impact. Carpet is the second biggest waste generator within the industry. And it's been a major concern to us for many years. One of the major causes for environmental pollution is large-scale production. Harm is caused because waste products cannot be made to just disappear. When you throw something away, there really is no way to throw it to. And this is the very essence of the aims and the driving force of BS 8901. This thinking is core to Reeds, whose great concerns are about the mountains of post-exhibition carpeting that is being dumped into landfill every year. The industry tally is now regarded as totalling a mind-boggling estimate, but a mind-boggling 12 million square metres of non-biodegradable floor covering every year. So, we began to seek out new processes and technical support to establish a recyclable carpet, starting with the development and production of a carpeting range that would be genuinely 100% recyclable. We made contact with Warwick University Manufacturing Research Department and the government-backed Polymer Cluster Research Group. And they provide practical support and collaborative opportunities to small and medium enterprises like us in the polymer industries in the West Midlands. And with their help and with their support, we've been able to move forward faster than we originally expected. And of course, we had to work in tandem with existing and selected manufacturers, and that was not easy. January 2007 saw the commencement of our in-house recycling plant and the production of our own plastic pellets. That, ladies and gentlemen, is recycled carpet. Truly, truly recycled. We've also exhibited at leading shows such as Confex, RSVP, and Showman shows to promote it. We've also done major events like the Labour Party conference in Bournemouth, where not only do we exhibit, but where we supplied and fitted Evo rib carpeting in both the conference and the exhibition halls. We also undertook the same supply and fitting service with the Conservative Party at the Winter Gardens in Blackpool. For us at Reeds, BS 8901 means we welcome the opportunity to be actively involved in setting the parameters of this new standard. The challenge is that we hope that our contribution to this formation over the coming months will not just see us just embracing the standard, but making it as effective as possible. Now that will mean a challenge to us, to our management, our attitudes, and our systems. In particular, the virtual implementation of this standard has been about implementing systematic procedures for record keeping and process improvement, and setting formal targets for continual improvement and feedback. In the longer term, we plan to make substantial saving on landfill fees. Not just on those fees today, but the huge increases that you're going to be faced with over the next few years. By 2010, the total cost of imposed on landfill gates will range from £55 per tonne to £100 per tonne. That's government projection, compared to today's rates of 35 to 40. Carbon emissions generated by others to produce 1 tonne of virgin polypropylene plastic, given by the Plastic Federation, create 3.9 tonnes of CO2 gas. The emissions produced from 1 tonne of our polypropylene is just 0.44. That's the saving of 3.46 tonnes of CO2 on every tonne of virgin plastic used, compared to our recycled plastic. For Reeds, using 8901 in the medium and long term has developed and proved financially beneficial. It's not only cost savings, but it's a win-win. It's a win for us, it's a win for our clients, and it's a win for the industry as a whole. In the long term, I'd like to think we can increase our market share and persuade more of you to go green. We at Reed's Carpets are only a tiny clog in planet Earth's complex machinery, but we can play our part in helping the industry just that bit more. We can help it by becoming environmentally sustainable and the implementation of 8901. And if we can inspire other cogs to do likewise, we can drive that future forward to an environmentally and commercially viable future for us all.